Welcome to Chad Hates Carbs. Today we're going to try something a little bit insane, but trust me, it's better than you think. We're going to do scrambled eggs, regular old eggs, but we're going to do them peanut butter and jelly style. Yes, for real. Super simple recipe. You just need to get some number of eggs that you're going to scramble. I think I'm going to go ahead and do 4 today. I tried this a couple of days ago, and it was much better than I expected. I expected it to be kind of gross, but it was actually pretty good. So I was kind of thinking I'm going to make some pancakes, and then I thought, why make pancakes? Because pancakes are basically eggs with some kind of flour. And then I thought, why not just try it with just eggs? Yeah, so that's what we're doing today. This is peanut butter powder. It does have sodium in it, 115 milligrams for 2 tablespoons. So that's not super awesome. I think I'm going to go ahead and beat these first. 115 milligrams is not really great. This has no sodium. This is Tyranny sugar-free raspberry. And then this is just regular old heavy whipping cream, generic Walmart brand. Okay, so I don't know why I did that. I'm going to just turn around and put some stuff in here. So this is, I'm going to do, I don't know, that looks like about like a tablespoon maybe. So put 2 tablespoons in here. This is my, I'm not really measuring because I don't know what I'm doing. We're going to put an amount of heavy whipping cream. If you make scrambled eggs, whipping cream is a fantastic addition. I do that when I make my regular ones anyway. So again, if I'm making pancakes and I'm putting some kind of a milk or cream or something in there, basically all I'm doing with this is I'm not doing baking powder or something. So that's the peanut butter part. So now we're going to do the jelly part. This is raspberry, so this would be like putting sugar-free raspberry jelly in your eggs. So we're going to put an amount of that in there. That's a tablespoon maybe 2 tablespoons. So it smells really good. And yes, I know it seems insane, but we'll try it. So this is flaxseed. I'm doing this because I'm supposed to also, supposed to reduce my sodium and increase my fiber intake because I'm old now. So we're going to put just, I'm not going to put a ton, maybe a tablespoon of flaxseed. It's not a lot. I think the serving size is a 1/4 cup. So this isn't going to do a whole lot for me, but I don't want to turn it into pancakes. I want it to be actually still resemble scrambled eggs. So I've got my skillet going. I've got it on 4. You don't want it super hot because you can end up posing yourself on getting the oil all smoky and whatnot. So we're just going to slap these in here. I guess I should get a spatula. Alright, and all you got to do then is just dump it in your bowl. This is the beauty. It's not pancakes you got to watch, you got to keep flipping them, whatever. This is the lazy man's breakfast. Because you don't have to do anything, you just dump it in there and go. So, except if you're like me, you got to scrape all of it out of there and you hate yourself because you can't get it all, So that's that. You're done. Now just put your stuff away. Seriously. Really all you need to do, just come over here and just start stirring this nonsense. You don't want it to stick too long because it'll overcook, but it's just like regular scrambled eggs at this point. You're just letting it cook and then kind of getting those nice crispy bits. Crazy, huh? It's scrambled eggs, man. I'm telling you. So we'll be back once we get it all cooked up. It'll take, I don't know, 3 or 4 minutes maybe. I'll finish putting this stuff away. Be back in a second. So here's a close-up of them almost cooked. You can see a little bit runny there still yet on some of it. We're just going to flip it. Doesn't that look like scrambled eggs? way easier than making pancakes and having to worry about them bubbling and burning and all that kind of stuff. These don't have that problem. You just cook them until they're not wet anymore. Alright, so the proof is in the pudding, as they say, and this is kind of like pudding. I realize it's completely bizarre, but peanut butter and jelly scrambled eggs. They don't taste like eggs at all. Not bad. I think I probably put a little bit more peanut butter powder in last time I made them, because it's not as peanut buttery as before. But you can definitely taste the raspberry. I'd say you could even go a little bit more raspberry. I just didn't want to make it too like overpowering or whatever. But yeah, let me see if I have any raspberry jelly. I may not. Yeah, I just have blackberry. So anyway, we can add a little bit of peanut butter to it if we're feeling particularly froggy. So let's try that. Because yes, I'm crazy. Why not go all the way, right? Let's get a little bit of peanut butter in there. I'm not going to mix up a whole bunch of it, but see how it is with actual peanut butter in it. Much more stick to the roof of your mouth. That's not bad. It's interesting though, because the peanut butter flavors are actually very different. This is like a much darker, richer kind of flavor. The peanut butter powder is kind of like lighter. I don't know really how to explain it, but it's not bad. It is sticking to the roof of my mouth though, because that's what peanut butter does. I like it both ways, but I think I like it better without the extra peanut butter, because it just makes it kind of overpowering. But anyway, another one of my crazy experiments. So I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all later. Have a great day.